AI is transforming the world, and the demand for skilled AI professionals has never been higher. Whether you want to become a leading AI consultant or a certified trainer delivering AI-in-a-box training programs, our flexible training paths, online, hands-on, and in person, are your gateway to success. Start with our free offering or dive into advanced tracks to shape your career in AI. Register now, book your session, or visit our website to take the first step toward a future in one of the most in-demand careers today.
Today, we're diving into the benefits of developing an AI strategy and the role of something called generative AI. To start, Rana, can you explain what generative AI is in simple terms?
Certainly, Sarah. Generative AI is a type of technology that can create new content, like text and images. Think about when you use a predictive text feature on your phone or when you see computer-generated art. This technology uses complex systems called neural networks that work a bit like our brains to learn and produce content.
So it's like having a very smart assistant that can help with writing emails or even creating artwork?
Exactly. Generative AI can assist in writing articles or blogs, translating languages, or even designing attention-grabbing images for advertising. It's used in various fields to make our lives easier and more creative.
That's fascinating. What makes generative AI significant for individuals and businesses alike?
Well, for one, it enhances creativity and efficiency. By automating routine tasks, professionals have more time to focus on creative thinking. In business, AI opens doors for innovation, enabling companies to discover new ways to operate and grow, ultimately leading to better business models.
Wow, it sounds like generative AI could really transform the business landscape. How does it practically impact businesses day to day?
Businesses are using generative AI to automate customer service with chatbots that offer round-the-clock support and to personalize marketing campaigns. This means they can create content that truly resonates with each customer, improving engagement and satisfaction.
And how about everyday life? How is generative AI making an impact there?
In our daily lives, AI powers virtual assistants like smart speakers that manage our schedules or remind us of tasks. It's also helping both hobbyists and professionals create unique art and design pieces, expanding our creative horizons.
That's really impressive. Now, why is it important for a company to have a specific AI strategy?
Great question, Sarah. A strong AI strategy gives companies a competitive edge, allowing them to outperform their competitors. By optimizing their operations, businesses can deliver better products and services. This strategy also fosters innovation and supports strategic growth, encouraging exploration into new markets and avenues.
Plus, it sounds like there's a cost efficiency aspect too, right?
Definitely. AI strategies help reduce costs by automating routine operations and streamlining processes, making things faster and more efficient. This can significantly benefit organizations looking to cut down on expenses while boosting output.
Lastly, for learners or individuals, how does understanding AI's strategic benefits empower them?
By grasping the potential of AI, individuals and organizations can harness AI's capabilities to thrive in our technology-driven world. It also prepares them for future advancements, opening up opportunities in various sectors like healthcare and finance.
In summary, developing a robust AI strategy can foster innovation, lower costs, and offer a competitive advantage, benefiting both individuals and businesses. It's about preparing for an evolving technological landscape.
Exactly, Sarah. As we move forward, understanding and leveraging AI will be essential for success and growth. Let's transition to exploring some specific tools and technologies making these strategies possible.
Today, we're going to explore the importance of having an AI strategy framework. Creating a well-thought-out approach for implementing AI is crucial for organizations that want to benefit from AI technologies. But what exactly is an AI strategy framework and why do we need one?
That's a great question, Sarah. Essentially, an AI strategy framework is like a roadmap. It helps guide organizations in making AI initiatives efficient, ethical, and risk-managed. Having a framework ensures that AI is not just a buzzword, but a practical and beneficial part of a business.
Without a cohesive strategy, AI efforts can become fragmented and ineffective. Imagine different departments in a company each using AI in isolation. The sales, customer service, and supply chain departments might all have different AI systems that don't communicate well with each other. This leads to inefficiencies and missed opportunities.
Exactly. That's why a holistic approach is essential. By integrating AI across various departments, an organization ensures that all parts work together smoothly. This creates a unified system that can enhance communication and streamline operations, ultimately improving customer satisfaction and efficiency.
But AI isn't without its risks. Ignoring these can lead to costly mistakes. What can organizations do about this?
Implementing robust risk management strategies is key. This includes conducting regular risk assessments and engaging with stakeholders to identify and address potential problems proactively. For instance, simulating worst-case scenarios can prepare an organization for unexpected AI system failures.
Another important aspect is how AI is introduced into an organization. Jumping in too quickly can lead to higher failure rates and wasted resources. How can this be avoided?
A phased implementation approach can be very effective. By starting with small pilot programs, organizations can test and refine AI solutions before expanding them organization-wide. Take a healthcare provider, for instance. They might begin with a small AI pilot to streamline patient data management and expand it to other areas like diagnostics if successful.
We've talked a lot about efficiency and risk, but what about ethics? This is another area where organizations can face challenges.
Absolutely crucial. Overlooking ethical considerations can lead to biases in AI systems or non-compliance with regulations. That's why incorporating ethical guidelines into the AI deployment process is essential. Forming an ethics committee, for example, ensures that AI applications are fair, unbiased, and respect user privacy and data protection laws.
In summary, a robust AI strategy framework is indispensable. It enhances efficiency, reduces risks, and ensures ethical standards are maintained. This paves the way for effective AI integration, setting the groundwork for scalability and future growth in the AI landscape.
Next, we'll explore what it means for organizations to adapt to these AI frameworks in a real-world context and how they can measure progress effectively.
Developing an AI strategy might sound a bit complex at first, but it's actually about making sure your AI projects fit well within your organization's overall goals. Think of it like making sure every piece of a puzzle fits perfectly. Why is this important? Well, if your AI projects aren't aligned with what your organization wants to achieve, you might end up wasting resources.
That's right. Imagine a manufacturing company using AI to make its production more efficient. This not only boosts productivity, but also aligns with its goal of cutting down operational costs. But what happens if they hadn't aligned their AI project with this goal? They could miss out on growth opportunities because their efforts might be scattered.
Exactly. And besides strategic alignment, having comprehensive support is crucial. By this, we mean a solid infrastructure and effective governance. It's kind of like needing a strong foundation to build a house. Without it, your AI efforts might not take off.
Many organizations face challenges such as inadequate IT infrastructure or not having enough skilled staff. But by setting up a strong IT governance framework, they can manage AI-related changes effectively, ensuring innovation doesn't hit a roadblock.
Scalability is another key factor. As your organization grows, your AI system should be able to handle this growth without a hitch. Think of an e-commerce platform during the holiday season. A scalable AI system can manage increased traffic, preventing site crashes, and keeping customers happy.
And let's not forget workforce development. Training your team is essential so they can use AI tools effectively. If employees aren't trained properly, AI adoption can be slow, and its effectiveness might be reduced.
Regular training workshops make a huge difference. For example, in a financial firm, these workshops equip teams to analyze data with AI confidently, leading to more informed decisions.
To sum up, developing an AI strategy framework helps in maximizing returns on AI investments, driving innovation, and gaining a competitive edge. When AI initiatives are aligned with business goals, organizations can foster creativity and improve efficiencies.
So understanding strategic alignment, comprehensive support, scalability, and workforce development is vital for any successful AI implementation. It's all about clear planning and training to ensure sustained growth and success. Let's delve deeper into how strategic alignment can transform AI initiatives.
Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you found it insightful and valuable for your AI journey. Don't forget to share this session with others, like the video, and subscribe for more updates and exclusive content. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website to explore more programs or book your next training session today.